We've got a family home that has everything you're looking for. It's standalone, sunny, spacious, and spectacular. Come in and check it out yourself.
And inside, this home is immaculate. From the Galleria kitchen, open plan living and dining, and beautiful ranch sliders which open out to your private backyard. Throw in Bluetooth speaker systems, plenty of bedrooms and bathrooms, and a short stroll to the Scott Point School. This is the family home you've been looking for, and one you do not want to miss. So we'll see you here soon.